Hello guys! In this video, I will show you how to create a LemFi account step by step. So let's get started. First of all, install the LemFi app on your mobile device. Once it opens, you will see two options: create an account and log in. Click on the Create an Account option. Now select the correct country and enter your phone number. After that, agree to the terms and conditions and then click on Continue. Next, you will need to verify your phone number. Enter the verification code that was sent to your phone and click on Continue. After this, provide some basic information such as your full name and email address. Then tap on Continue again to complete the setup. This ensures your LemFi account is created successfully and ready to use. So our work is done. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful, simple, and interesting tech tips every single week.